Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, good evening. This is your girl Rose. My name is Rose, and this evening I'm just come to use my TimeWise repair this evening. So I want to show you people how you can use it because it came with like this. That's the set of my TimeWise repair. This one is the day cream, and that's the night cream. Because of it's the night, so I'm going to use the night cream. That is the eye cream, and that's the serum, and that's the cleanser. So first, let me start how I will use it. First, I will use my brush. Sorry. First, I will use my brush because I love to use this brush because this brush helped me to clean my face very well, and it removed all the dirty in my face. So first, let me put small water. So I will just put small. And I'll just switch my brush on. You must avoid your eye area. And this cleanser will help you a lot. Even the people the age of 40, if you are age of 40, start using this TimeWise repairs because it will help you a lot to remove all the wrinkles in your eye area and your face, and it's very good for anti-age because it will protect you to become a younger. So if you are age of 40, you can use, but I'm not 40, but I'm still using it because I want to be like anytime to be like a younger. So that's why I love to use it, and it's very good, and it's helping me a lot. So I just finish it off. So I just remove the brush off. So I want to wash my face. I just finish it. So look at it. So second, I'm going to use my serum. This our Volu-Firm serum is very good for you to use it. So if we are, I said already, if you're age of 40 years, you can start using it. Maybe if you're 30s and you want to use it, still you can use our TimeWise repair. So just bring it small. If you're using a cream your face, don't use your palm, just use your finger to. So second, I'm going to use my eye cream. I love to use, but this eye cream have this silver up. So this silver, it means you can just use it, but I love to use my finger. So to show people. How is it? Just press it like this. just so that's it. I just finished it. Because the eye cream will help you to remove all the darkness and the wrinkles in your eye area, so that anytime your eye area is very nice to the way with it. So now it's time for my night cream. This night cream will protect my skin for all the nights, and this night is very night cream. This night cream is very good for you in the night, because it will protect your night for all the whole night, and it will give you this freshen and this softener in the night. So it's better, and so to have it, and this is because it's very good, and I love this night cream very well. And you know something, this night cream, you don't need to open it, you must to press here. When you press here, you see some came, so the one amount will came out, the amount you will use it. So that's the amount it came. So I will just, any amount you will come, that amount you will use it. So don't worry that you need a lot of any amount to use it. Any amount you will come, that amount you use. So, and when you are using them, what do you call it? When using the cream for your face, try to bring some in your neck also, so that it will help your neck, so your face and your neck all will be, the color will be equal, because it's very important. So I love it, because now my face, I can smell the face is very smooth and nice, and it's I just finished. I'm come to use my lip gloves for this evening. I just come to use my satin lip gloss. So but every night I love to use it for in the night. So this one is the satin balm scrub. You know, sorry, it's the satin sugar scrub. So that is the first I will come to use it. I think this, yeah, since smoking, and it's sugar inside. As they call it satin sugar scrub, because it have lots of so you need it to so I will just use your cotton to clean it off. So second, I will come and use, I'm just come and use this one also, satin balm. Yes, satin better balm. So lip. So I would love to come and use that, my satin lip balm lip. So that's it. Also it came like this. So you can see it like this. And this one will also help your mouth for the dryness, because some people don't have smooth lip, they have dry lip and also dark lip. So if you are someone like that, you need to have those two, satin lip balm and the satin lip scrub. So it will help your lip to remove all this darkness in your lip area, and that will help you also to get the smooth lip. So if you need some, just inbox me, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're new when you watch it, just to subscribe in my YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you very much. We'll meet another day. Bye.